Hello everyone, welcome to Chaudhary Data Watch channel. Today I am here with a new video in NoSQL series or the MongoDB series, into which we are going to see with lookup function into MongoDB Compass. So we will be watching all the functionality and how it can be applied and what it is. So all these things we are going to see here. So let's get started with the video. So what first lookup is? Lookup is nothing but it's a left outer join between two collections. We are having table as collection into NoSQL. So when we are having two collections, and if we want to left outer join it, then we can use this lookup function into it. For that we are having a generic syntax for the lookup, that is this particular one in the above you can see, and equivalent to that SQL what our pseudo code can be, it is also written over here. Just I will explain you each of them first. So here this is lookup, into which we are having these four fields which is asked by lookup function, that is from, local field, from, foreign field, and as. What this from is? So from is it's the collection from which you want to pull out the data, or from from which you are having the data which you want to pull out into the previous collection into which you are performing this lookup. And then the local field is nothing but the field on which the lookup will happen, the join will happen. So there should be actually two fields to make the join happen, that is local field and the foreign field. Local field will be the field which will be into your collection into which you are performing the lookup, and foreign field will of course be that field on that particular field which it will join to this particular collection which is you have provided it into the from. Now what all these things are, you will better understand when I will show you some demonstration with one example. And at last we are having as. So what happens is when we perform join, a new column actually gets created, or the new field actually gets created. That field, what it named to be, will be into this as. You need to output array field, that will be your array actually, into which the whatever the data that has been pulled from the second collection will be coming and sitting over here. Now what the SQL corresponding syntax is, it is given here so that you can better understand in terms of SQL as well. So here you can see that select star comma output array field. Now what this output array field is, which is into this as, okay, from collection, where output array field, that means this particular one only, in select star from collection to join is this from. These things you will now understand once I will show you how we can apply it in real-time scenario. So here I have taken up one example. Okay, let me first delete it so that you should not end up with any confusion. So we are having two tables, or we are having two collections. Table 5 is one of the collection, table 6 is another collection. In this table 5 we are having approximately 5 fields, and we want to join with few more fields which is there into the table 6, and the key on the basis of which the join will happen is the name. Now I will show you table 6 as well. You can see over here that we are having table 6. Into table 6 we are having multiple documents into which we are having fields like name, siblings, parents, and fare. Okay, so these things will be joined into table 5. Now how this join can happen, let me first show you here. Here you can see that we are having from as table 6. Let me first take it there so that you will first see how it is joining, then I will explain you each of the things. Click on add stage and then filter for the lookup. Okay, now you can see over here that these four items is getting asked over here. I will just paste it whatever we have copied it right now. Okay, now this we will first replace it, it has been misspelled. Now you can see here that from table 6 local field is name, foreign field is name. Why name? Because you can see that name is present over here into table 5, and again in table 6 also we are having the name present, and basis of these names only we are going to join. So for us, what it is happening? For us, our local field and foreign field, both of the fields are name itself. So we'll just paste it, we'll change it to back. You are now clear about these local field and foreign field. Now from table 6, why we are taking up? Because the data to be pulled out from the table 6 collection, correct, which is here, and the column name, whatever it will contain, whatever data it is getting pulled out, it will be contained by an array. That array name is COL, that is col. You can see, right, this col is array. Here in another document we are having again the col as array 1. Now if you will expand this col, you can see that you are having again name and rest of the 4 you may say fields, whatever not present into the table 5. So till we are having survived, p class, name, sex and age, and here you can see that rest of the things, that is sibling, parents and fair, are into this array. So you can see that both of the collections have been joined, and it has been joined, that is left outer. Now what left outer is, if you are already aware, it's good to have. If not, then just you can assume something like this, that all the data which is there into the left collection will be there into the resulting collection with the data whatever getting matched into the right collection. So their right collection we are having is table 6, left collection is table 5. So all the data will be there, whatever data it is there into the table 5, and whatever data getting matched, that means whatever name it is able to find into table 6, it will pull that out, otherwise it will leave it as null. Okay. Now how it is getting compared with SQL, you can just, I have just mentioned this something like this, that when if you will write pseudocode for in terms of SQL, it looks something like this. Why I have put it like this? Because you should be aware that how it is getting executed, because many people are more aware in SQL terms. So I have taken it out into SQL terms as well. So that was whole about this video. Hope you are very much clear about these 4 fields getting asked, that is from, local field, foreign field and as. So everything you should be clear, and if you are having any confusion, let me know into the comment section. Thank you so much guys for watching out the videos. See you in the next one with some other function. Thanks again.